In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Shein. Whether you've had a change of heart about a recent purchase or simply made a mistake, it's essential to know how to navigate the cancellation process effectively. Start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Shein website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to access your personal information and order history. Once you're on the home page, look around and locate the Personal Care section. Clicking here will lead you closer to where you'll find the options related to your previous and current orders. After arriving in the Personal Care area, direct your attention towards the option labeled My Orders. This section holds all the crucial details about your recent purchases on the platform. It's organized in a way that allows you to review each order individually, see the status, and make changes if necessary. Now that you're in the My Orders section, it's time to hone in on the specific purchase you want to cancel. You'll notice that the orders are sorted under different categories based on their status. Focus on the ones that appear under the Shipped category, as these are orders that have been processed but might still be eligible for cancellation if they have not been shipped fully or are in a certain stage of processing. Once you've found the order you're looking to cancel, click on Order Details. This is where you'll find comprehensive information about the transaction, including shipping status, items included, and any potential actions you can take, such as cancellations or returns. It's crucial to review these details carefully to make sure you're canceling the correct order and understand any potential cancellation policies that might apply. With the Order Details page open, you should see an option to cancel. Simply clicking that button will initiate the cancellation process. In many cases, the platform will ask for a brief confirmation step to ensure that the cancellation request is genuine. It's always a good idea to double-check here since this action can't be undone once completed. After confirming the cancellation, you will receive a notification indicating that the process was successful. This confirmation might be visible on the website itself or through an email sent to the address linked to your Shein account. Keep an eye out for this confirmation to ensure that everything has been processed smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an order on Shein. Knowing how to do this can be a real lifesaver in managing your online shopping, and it's a valuable tool for ensuring that every purchase aligns with your current needs or situation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.